Hello everybody, Mr. Hugh here, and today we're going to make pie charts using Matplotlib.pyplot. So what we want to do is we are first going to think about what we're going to make data with, and we're going to do favorite pets. So our favorite pets here, let's first say pets, and let's list them off. Most people have dogs, cats, fish, birds, and let's throw in snakes. And let's have, there's going to be a percent, let's say or not, let's do percent, let's do count. Let's say count and how many in each. So let's say there's 8 people who like cats, 8 people dogs, 4 people who like fish, 2 who like birds, and 1 who likes having a snake. Now what we need to do is we need to build up subplots. So we could have like figure 1 and on axes 1, and so we'll do plt dot subplots, and now we can build our pie chart. So we have ax1 plus our dot pi, and then the first thing we need to do is graph our count, and the labels that we're going to label this thing are going to be the pets, because the names are going to be the labels. So now when we run this, if everything works out, we have ourselves a nice little graph where things are clearly labeled what they are.